It's about that time again. I gotta wash my brushes. So I got my brush dry rack. You can get this at the Container Store or pretty much anywhere. This is my washing mat, and you can definitely get this anywhere. And this is my shampoo. I actually use shampoo to wash my brushes because it's not as harsh as, regular soap, and it still gets the job done. My brushes come out clean every single time. So right here, I'm just scrubbing the brushes on the mat. This is pretty much what I do to clean them. So now I just put it in the rack, and now I just wait for it to dry. And I repeat the process. So now I'm putting more soap. I don't know why I'm pouring it like it's salad dressing or something, but I'm gonna repeat. So now I'm about to wash my powder brush. So I normally like to use the rack for double-sided brushes because I don't want it to be laying down while it's drying. So I like to use brushes like this to dry on the rack, so both sides get dry without touching anything. And now here I'm using more than one brush in my hand for the eye brushes because I'm kind of lazy, and washing brushes can be, tiring and draining. So I just like to hold more than one. If one isn't clean, I'll just wash that one individually, but cleaning more than one at a time does save a lot of time and energy. So that's why I'm holding more than one. So with this type of brush, all I gotta do is detach the top and I just clean the brush part. So that's one thing I really like about this brush. The replacements are only $10, so I could just have more than one on me, and it's clean just like that. And finally, on the last brush, I'm telling you, washing brushes takes me so long, especially if I'm washing client brushes, right? So now they're all done. You know, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't always post videos like this, but if you enjoy this, trust me, you'll enjoy my other videos. Okay? I hope you have a good day. All right, bye.